Hello, this is Eliss and Alpacas, the cutest sleepers, but their back is broken. It is what it is, and today I will fix them. So first I will cut off the old sole. I took the lining from travel rug. It's dense. The old one is completely crumpled. Serious face. I'm very focused. The sole will be made of thread. I took it from my old boots. It's tight, so first I will make holes for the needle with oil. I feel like I should make. The blanks are ready. It remains to sew everything. I have a regular needle and thread. But I want to buy a sewing machine.
What's up? I'm next. Easy, easy, not so hard.
Sewing with your own hands takes a lot of time. By the end of the day, the first alpaca is ready. Not perfect, but I'm happy with the result. I like to give a second life to my favorite stuff. Do you like to do like this? Write your case in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Watch your back. Otherwise, Eliss will make new buns for you.